Oh, that's pretty cool. You can change the. Oh, wow. I didn't know. I didn't know that YouTube Live has filters. Wow. Save highlight. Oh. Oh, wow. You can save up to 1 minute of video for highlight. I didn't know that either. Well, it's the first time we go live on mobile. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. So you can even save highlight to your channel as unlisted video.